Hello students, I strongly welcome to you all in the online session. Dear students, nowadays we are trying to learn tense, right? Under this topic, today I am standing here with new subtopic. This is present perfect continuous tense, right? In today's session we would like to learn about this. So let's start the class. Students, it is very compulsory to know that which kind of activity, which kind of action is being considered in the given particular tense. It is very compulsory to know all of us, right? By this way we can make the concept of particular tense very clear. So here is the word continuous. It means there is the use of ing form of the verb, present participle form of the verb. And in the previous video we discussed that what is the present perfect. It is clear to you all. So try to know that which kind of activity or which kind of action is being considered, being discussed, we talk in this tense. So note down in your copy. Present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began in the past and is still continuing, right? Once again I am going to note down here. Present perfect continuous tense is used for an action, right, which began in the past and is still continuing, right? In this tense, it means present perfect tense is used for an action. As we know that regarding tense, under the tense we study about the activity or action which happened at the specific time, at the specific period, right? Here in this tense, which began in the past. A particular kind of activity which began, which started with, which initiated at the previous time, right? Past time, and is still continuing. It means that kind of activity is going on at the time of speaking. It started in the previous time, in the previous period, in the past time, but it is also going on at the time of speaking, right? It is clear? So this is the use of present perfect continuous tense. It means this kind of activity is being considered, this kind of action is being used, being talked in this tense, right? Next thing I mentioned here 2 points. First one is since and second one is for. We can also identify with the given words. First one is since and second one is for. This two word is used in this tense. And what is the sense of given these two words? Try to understand. What is the use of since? Let's try to know. It shows the point of time. Since word shows the point of time. Point of time means first of all we should note down the since. After that there should be time, whatever time is given in the particular statement or sentence. 1st October, 1st January, 2017, 2015, like this. Okay? Point. I explained here, a point, precise moment in the time. It means exact time, exact date, accurate year, like this. For shows the period of time, duration of time. It means in another sense we can say it reflects the amount of time, right? Amount of time. Okay? From it expresses that from the beginning of the period to the end of the period, right? I hope it is clear to all and all of you would have written in your copy. So now let's try to discuss some certain examples. We can note down examples, statements, sentences regarding this on the behalf of the word order. So try to note it. What is the word order of present perfect continuous tense? Okay. First of all, we should note down subject, right? After that, there should be has or have. Has or have. In the perfect tense, present perfect tense, we studied that what is the use of has and have, right? Plus been, verb ing, plus object or complement, plus since or for, plus time. Okay. First of all, we should note down subject of the statement, main word of the statement. After that, has or have, as per the rule, as per the need or requirement of the mentioned subject in the particular sentence. Okay. After that, there should be been and verb ing. It means it is continuous, so there will be verb ing, means present participle form of the verb, right? After that, there should be object or complement, and then after there should be since or for, as per sense. I mentioned here what is the sense of since and for, and after that time, whatever is given there. Okay, so note down some certain examples. they have been building the bridge for several years. Right? They have been building the bridge for several years. Next, she has been preparing for the NEET since 2019. Okay, she has been preparing for the NEET since 2019. It shows the point of time, exact time, right? And she is also preparing at the time of speaking, right? And in the first sentence, they have been building the bridge for several years. It means they are still working. They are still working now. It means at the time of speaking, the work is on progress, while it started in the previous period, in the past time. Okay. You have been completing your assignment for 3 days, right? Next sentence you can also note down. Some states of India has been facing drought for almost a decade, right? Some states of India has been facing drought for almost a decade. Here I am not talking about a particular state, about a single state. Here is the word states, so that there should be have. Okay, I missed to note down. Okay, some states of India have been facing, so that I mentioned here have, because here we are talking states. Okay, and all these sentences consisting ing form of the verb, present participle form of the verb, and all these statements reflecting that the work is started in the previous time, in the past time, and it is also going on at the time of speaking, right? So I hope it is clear to you all. And now let's discuss what is the concept of negative sentence, right? Let's try to know what is the concept of negative sentence. Okay, as you know that we start sentence with first of all subject. It is very simple. After that there should be, according to the tense, has or have, as per the need of subject, as per the requirement of subject. There should be not. Okay, been plus verb ing plus object or complement plus since or for plus time. Okay, did you all note this word order? I hope all of you would have written this in your copy. First of all, we should note down subject. After that, has or have. After that, there should be not. Okay. After that, been. Then present participle form of the verb. Present participle form of the verb. After that, object or complement, then since or for as per the mentioned sense, and there should be time, right? I am going to note down some examples. Some of you have not been watching the video, right, for 2 days, right? Here is the word not. Some of you have not been watching the video for 2 days, right? Here is the word have, because the subject is considered as plural, so that I mentioned here have, and there should be not been, and it is the present participle form of the verb. What is the base form of this verb? Watch, right? Base form of this verb is watch. After that, watched, and then watching. Watch, watched, watched, and ing form is watching the video for 2 days. Next thing, implies disconnected with salaries and perk have not been working in their offices for a week. Employees disconnected with the salaries and perk means additional facilities have not been working in their offices for a week, right? She has not been working in the office since 20 October, right? They have not been paying attention to the government policy since 2016, right? They have not been paying attention to the government policy since 2016. It is very simple. I hope all of you understood it very well. In case of any doubt, any difficulties, feel free to consult me, right? Now let's talk about the interrogative sentence, right? What is the sense of interrogative sentence? What is the concept of, what is the meaning of interrogative sentence? You know it very well. No need to revise a single sentence day to day. While I am going to repeat once again, when we make any kind of query, when we try to collect any kind of information as well as data from anywhere, from anyone, it is being called interrogative sentence, right? Such as, what is your name, how much time do you devote for study, like this. It is considered two types, right? First one is yes no type, and second one is WS type, right? When we respond any person, or when we get the response or answer from anyone in the sense of, in the form of yes or no, it is being called, it is being said as yes no type statement, yes no type interrogative sentence, yes no type question statement, question sentence, right? So let's try to note down some sentences regarding yes no type. How we should note down yes no type interrogative sentence? For this we should know what is the word order. Let's note down it. First of all, we should start it with the has or have plus subject plus being plus verb ing plus object or complement right? After that, since or for. After that, there should be time, and then there should be interrogative sign, interrogative mark. Here we are talking about yes no type interrogative sentence of present perfect continuous tense, right? First of all, we must know that we start with has or have as per the need of subject. Here I am going to note down some examples. Have you been working in the university? Have you been working in the university for 2 years? At the last there should be interrogative sign, question mark. Have he been staying in the hotel since 2018, right? Has Raman been preparing for the civil examination Has Raman been preparing for the civil examination since 2017? At the last there should be question mark, right? I hope it is clear to you all. Has Raman been preparing for the civil examination since 2017, right? It means Raman started preparation in 2017 and he is preparing at this time also, right? Has he been staying in the hotel since 2018? Okay. Have you been working in the university for 2 years? Like this, okay. If we talk about the interrogative negative in the yes no type, right, there should be have you not been working in the university for 2 years, like this. There should be not after the subject. Has he not been staying in the hotel since 2018, like this, okay. So now let's talk about what is the concept of, what is the sense of WH type interrogative sentence of present perfect continuous tense, right? First of all, we should start with WH word. WH word. After that, has or have. After that, subject plus been plus verb ing plus object, right? Object or complement plus since or for. After that, time, and then interrogative mark. Okay, it is the word order of WH type of present perfect continuous tense, right? So I hope you can note down examples on the given word order. So let's try to know. It is oblique. Okay, WH type, what has your mother? After that, been doing. What has your mother been doing for a week, right? What has your mother been doing for a week? Where have they been staying? Where have they been staying since 2019? Okay, where have they been? It is third person plural subject, so I mentioned here have. Okay, here we are talking a mother, so I mentioned here has, and the verb ing form staying, and here is doing. Stay, stayed, stayed, and staying, right? Here is the present participle form of the verb do. Okay, do, did, done, and ing form is doing. Okay, why has she been attending the seminar for a week, right? Why has she been attending the seminar for a week, right? I hope it is clear to you all. If we want to add not in this sentence in the WH type, we should insert not word here. Why has she not been attending the seminar for a week? Like this, you can add this. What has your mother not been doing in a week? Where have they not been staying since 2019? Like this. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all, and all these matters are only for 2 days, and you can utilize this video more and more. Second thing is very important, that try to complete your copies as well as textbook, literature, whatever is provided up to now, and grammar also, right? How did you feel how did you enjoy as well as experience today's class? Feel free to share with us. Thank you. Have a nice day.